Hello, welcome to tutorial for your channel. In this video I will show you how to download Visual Studio Code. So to download Visual Studio Code you have to go to this link. I will give this link in the description, and when you open this link you have to click on this button, download for Windows. Click on that and the download will be started. So as you can see, our Visual Studio has been downloaded. Now we just have to install it. Open it. This installation window will appear. Click on I accept the agreement and click next. Now you have to decide where you want to install your Visual Studio Code. So I will keep it in the default location and then click next. So if you don't want that it create a shortcut in the start menu folder, you check this box and you can see it has been disabled, and then click next. Then you can check this box if you want that it create a shortcut in the desktop. I check this box. Then you can check these two boxes if you want that when you right click on any file it should give the option open with Visual Studio Code. Otherwise keep it unchecked. You should keep these two boxes checked and then click on next. Now it is just confirming that everything is ready to be installed, and then you can click on install. Then you can check this box launch Visual Studio Code and click on finish. It will open the Visual Studio Code. As you can see, our Visual Studio Code has been downloaded successfully. So thank you for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Have a nice day.